Ayan guys, nasa kwarto na as. And matutulog na kami. Di ba? Tutulugan na ba? Tutulugan na ba? So yan, ito kami ngayon. Huli ka man. Ayun na guys. Na sila ate. Ate. Bye-bye. Sabi mo, see you tomorrow. Close mo na yung cam. Hi. Ayan guys, mag-aalat. Wait. Ayan. Lalakad na kami.
Hindi ako nag-sunscreen pala.
Meron akong dala. Nandun sa bangka. Mag-island hopping na kami. Sobrang tirik na ng araw. Uy, may pogi. So, ayan.
Hindi pala sila.
Hi guys! Mag-island hopping na kami. Pa-picture siya ng pa-picture. Ang dami niya na pa-picture. Wait lang guys. Be right back. Wait lang. So guys, mag-aano na kami. Bangka. Ayaw muna lahat. Tapos akong wow.
Wala kayo dito. Wait tayo dito. Go.
Ay, video mo ako. Oh, baba.
Dali mo rin to.
Iwan yung slipper. Hindi ka na sumunod pa sa akin.
Lamig. Sige pa.
Dito tayo may araw. Uy, dito tayo may araw. Dali, akin na. Dali. Ang bayad.
Yung bayad ba yan?
Lulusot kaya paan nila? Hindi. Doon mo siya ilagay yung sa may ano. Isakbit mo siya.
Thank you.
Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa boat.
Oh, baby. Soon as I get home, I'll make it up to you. Baby, I'll do what I gotta do. Soon as I get home, I'll make it up to you. Baby, I'll do
Tatalon ako, guys. Tatalon ako, guys.
Hindi, sige.
Tatalon ako, guys.
Paano? Patalikod kung gusto mo. Patalikod, Louie, para...
Ay, sorry.
Basahin mo lang muna ng tubig. Tapos
Would you have me this
yung kuya po, dito walang tao dyan, no?
Tatalon ako, guys.
If I found out that I could fight, would I take you out tonight? A little bit more, a little bit less, a little bit harder than I thought. They said a little bit fine, a little bit stressed, a little bit older than I thought I'd get. But I think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life. This silly little life. Eyes smiling over candles, mismatched chairs, arms crossing where those hands go. It's loud, but that volume makes my heart go. And time isn't real as the sun goes. Oh, 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 a little bit more, a little bit less, a little bit harder than I thought. They said a little bit fine, a little bit stressed, a little bit older than I thought I'd get. But I think I like this little life. Coming up short, never quite knowing what for, being a lost cause all the same. You and I both look in those eyes and I know nothing is sure, but I don't know if that hurts me anymore. A little bit more, a little bit.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Less, a little bit harder than I thought. They said a little bit fine, a little bit stressed, a little bit older than I thought I'd get. But I think I like this little life.
So, hi guys! So, ayan, ngayon, nag-aayos na kami. Kakalipo ko lang. And, to, pauwi na kami. Pero hindi pa kami nag-check out kasi 12 pa, maaga pa. Ano pa lang, 10:13, ay mag-focus. Afraid. Ayan, 10:13. Ayun. Hindi pa kami nag-check out. Ay, palabas pa lang kami. Ayun. Mamaya ulit.
It ain't that easy for you to back up and leave them, but you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that, and right before I turn to leave,
Dito na kami sa cottage. Saan din natin sila dati. Init dito guys. Pero akit din kami kapag kahapon. Kasi love pa yung check. So time check ulit. Time check. 11:57 na. Kita nyo ba guys? Love, ay, focus. Ate, time check nga. Patingin. So, 12 check mag-check
East Coast, I know you sugar right. Down south, I know you bouncing right. West Coast, I know you walking right. Midwest, I see you singing right.
Mamaya ulit. Hi guys, so nakahiga na kami dito, nag-aantay na kami ng time. Hey! Hey!
Binibigyan ka?
Si Yuji. Hoy! Hoy! Ito ang dalawang bugo.
Wala kami kuha ni Mami.
Kuya Teo!
Wala, di ba? Ayaw niyo magpa-picture.
Ang tagal mo kasi
Bye! Maya ulit.
Hindi.
Hi guys! So, pauwi na kami. Wait na, nagpapicture na naman si Boss Daniel. Saan? So, babay muna kayo sa vlog ko. Ay, hindi pa pala babay.
Ano ba?
Sabihin mo, babay muna. Sabihin mo, babay. Mamaya na ulit.